Hey guys, I'm back here with another video. Today I'll be picking the American Series, I can't see that, American Series 10. Um, it's a wafer lock, so let's see if I can open it up. I have opened this lock a long time ago, but let's see if I can do it around the tripod. So, see if I can get it open. I'll use a Peterson tension wrench. Let's see here. I'm going to use a Sparrow's rake. Let's try a different tension wrench. It's a medium tension wrench. I have not opened this lock. It's been a long time, so I'm going to rake it open. Okay. We'll go from top to bottom. And we're open. Wafer locks are fun locks to open. You can't shim these locks, ball bearing. Like I said, it's been a while. I don't have the key for this lock. But anyway, it's really fast to get into. You just go from top to bottom with a rake or top and then bottom. But there you go. It's the American Series 10 steel body. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have a good day.